Lidikin College Shillong is pleased to inform you that it's now offering admission to male and female students. Yes, you heard it right. Only at the Department of Tourism and Travel Management. For a promising career, join 4 years professional program that is Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management at Lidikin College Shillong. For more information, call to the given number on the screen or visit the website www.lidikincollege.edu.in.
Ngin kalian kasur jong pai ba ko umroi constituency ngin pelong ya kejing lang syong kelan mungor bat ngin le ru ha kaju opor ya ka signature campaign ban a kejing kersan halol kejing ki jong ka reservation policy hapo kejing lam jong ba ardan ubade ru political party unang lam jong political party jong ka VPP ba syong syak dengan hapo additional secretariat tak adu kini singi ke bangata te kum tani were ipai ba baro banwan syakateka jingelang ka bangila penbait banlong ha ka lai poi terik ha kata ha dika sibalang banwan te kum tani wer ya paro ba phen subha ban yami renti ka jaka ka long hapo bhormbong lum sopien kapor kan long nadu kapor spobaji te kum tani kerpat ya baro ki nong yalam shnong inong yalam seng bhalang bat kumju ya baro ki riu pai ba bangin klet ya ka jinge sngo party ha ka dika kenti ke panganta namar kani ke dei ka isu namanta ka ribat ka jai benrio te kumta ni weri pi ba pin subha ban yepe ka por namanta banong ka program ka bayat bai yai renti ha ka bidei bat kani ka jing kershan ya ka jing ki ha ka bidei bat ka reservation policy publish buat